we're going to select delete bullet. So now let's see if this is fixing. If not, we have to continue with the tutorial. Yes, that's it. But now if we go to the top, the bullet stays there. So now we need to do something. When bullet collides, and it's sending a message to the top, okay, so when I receive bullet collides, I'm going to do quite the same. So I'm going to hide the bullet, or I'm going to say, hey, you know what, you have to delete the bullet. So when I receive this, we are going to broadcast, hey, delete your bullet. And then if I press A, delete your bullet. That's happening. Now there is something, we need to make this beautiful top edge like transparent or invisible. So we're going to select again, change color effect by, and then we are going to select 100, but we are not going to change the color. We are just going to change to ghost and to see if this is happening. Yes, that's okay. So when we start, and you have this, and if you click, it's disappearing in this magical edge. Okay, well, so we are almost done with this tutorial. I really enjoy making this tutorial. I guess it's pretty cool. Now we need, for example, sounds when we crash with the insects. So what if we go here, and when the insects collide, okay, in this case we need to play like a explosion or something, okay, so and we're going to receive this message in collide. So we're going to create a sound. So check, we have insect move, then we are going to record another sound. We are going to call it dead. Then we are going to go here and we are going to record the sound. So let me think in something. No, I guess it was very long. So we delete again. I guess yes, I like it more. Then we just delete the extra information, and then this dead thing, we're going to play the dead thing every time we have this collision, okay, so if we are touching the bullet. So we are going to go to sound, play sound dead. So we can play it at the beginning or here, play sound dead, and also for the clones. So now we just press the space bar, and that's it. Looks okay. Now we need a sound for when we fire the bullet. So probably we are going to select the bullet, sounds, and then we are going to add a new sound here. Let's call it bullet sound. Sorry, bullet sound, and probably something like choo, choo, choo. Sorry for that. It sounds ridiculous. I guess this one is better. I guess that one better. So let me just delete this. I guess not working. Just what to we have to select first, and then we just delete. And then I just press this. No. this one. I delete this one, delete, and that's pretty cool about Scratch. Okay, so you can make your sounds at the same time that you are working with your game. It's pretty cool. So then you just create here play bullet sound, and we're going to play this sound every time we press the A key. Okay, so we have this, and also we can just play it when we have the top edge. So we have broadcast. I guess that's okay, so let me check. We don't have any explosion in here when we have the top, so probably we can say when I receive bullet collides delete bullet. So probably I can set this to a sound. I don't know if this is gonna work, but obviously not this sound. Maybe like it is colliding with something, so we just say crash, and then we just set it here. Yeah, I guess that's okay. We just delete the extra information, delete, then we go here, we just from the drop menu crash, and then if we play it, I guess that's okay. So then we just set it here, and then we just hit the space bar and we wait 2 seconds, and that's perfect. Well, not perfect, but I mean it's okay. So when I press the space, I play this thing, okay, and then you have the forever stuff. So probably that's okay. Ship, when we press space key, so probably we wait for 2 seconds and then we show this the ship. 1, 2, yes, that's okay. Now there is another thing that I need to check. For example, what happens when you you should, even if you don't have this thing. So I guess at the beginning you cannot be like enabling this thing. I mean the bullet. Okay, change tempo, look. When we press start, well, start is the space bar. When the key is pressed, so you know we are going to create here a new broadcast thing. We are going to send the message, you know, game has started. So start game. So we wait a second, then we send this thing, the start game. Now when we receive start game, instead of having the key, the space, so we're going to show this, we are going to delete this one, and we're going to say when I receive start game, I'm going to show this thing. Oh, I can wait like 1 second. Okay, and bullet it will be like over there. When I receive start game, I don't know if this is gonna work with this one. Play sound, no. Okay, when I receive start game, I'm going to make this bullet visible. So broadcast and wait. Broadcast and wait. I don't know, maybe. Well, I don't know how to do that right now, but I guess you don't have to press that thing. Press spacebar to start, and probably here insects are going to tell you another message and looks, and they are going to tell you, hey, you know what, use A button to shoot. Use A button to shoot and arrows to move. So let's see what's happening. That's okay. So well, I guess it is quite the thing. So, but what if you want to change something, okay, to make it more interesting? So if you have, if you check, we have the seconds. So the seconds are gonna help us to make these insects to move faster, okay, faster, slower. So now let's just, you know what? So over there, insects are okay. So let me check the ship. Yeah, that's okay. So probably smaller, it will be like better. So I'm going to space them a little bit more again. So the steps probably 45. So now here and there a little bit more spaced. Yes. So now the bullet, it's a little bit fast. Okay, so I don't want the bullet to be that fast. Fine, to make it more difficult. So, and also